In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Fiverr. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. As you can see, I've been using Fiverr for like 1 year, so I have a lot of experience with this. Now I'm going to be showing you step-by-step on how you can make money the correct way. Now, first thing you need to do is you want to check which services you are going to offer to people on Fiverr. Now you just need to search, just click here in the top right and search, click on switch to buying, and you want to see what services you want to offer. First, you want to see your competitors. You want, for example, if you are interested in editing, you can search for editing to see other people that are offering the same service, just to have an idea about the prices, about the quality of the video, about like how many clients are interested in this video editing thing, you know what I'm saying? So for example, this one, that it has like over 1,000 reviews, which is like a lot of reviews for videos, and he is charging $70. You can just go to his, for example, I'm going to like just click on their gig just to have an idea of how you are going to satisfy your clients. Okay, so for example, the basic package here, he's charging $70, the standard he's charging $100, the premium $130. So here you can have an idea about the prices. You can also see exactly what they are rating here in the description, just to copy, like not like copy them, but to have like a different like description. Okay, but you have to learn from them and see exactly what works for them and try to use it to your advantage. So after you have the idea, after you have an idea about what service you are going to offer on your like Fiverr account, then what you need to do is you want to click on switch to selling. Okay, so me, how I get orders, like I see, I'm going to show you first how I get orders myself. Okay, I'm going to show you. As you can see, I made around like this year, it's not like a year, it's like only 3 months. I only focused on Fiverr for like 3 months, and they made around $1,300. As you can see here, $1,300. I made it very quickly because I was getting clients from YouTube. So what I did is I went to YouTube, okay? And for example, if you are doing video editing on Fiverr, you want to create a free video on YouTube, say, hi, here is how to edit videos on YouTube, and show people step by step, and at the end of the video mention that you have gigs on your Fiverr, and then you will be able to send people to Fiverr very quickly. I didn't expect this to work, by the way, but I was getting very high quality like clients from YouTube, and then they were very interested in my gigs. So what I want you to do is to create videos specifically about your talent. Okay, if you are a video editing, graphic designer, whatever, just make video about that exact topic and then get clients from YouTube to your Fiverr. So after you decide which service you want to offer and how you are going to get clients. By the way, when you start getting some clients from YouTube, Fiverr itself will start to promote your gigs more in the search results, because they will say, oh, people are interested in his gigs. So try to get some reviews from YouTube, from social media, from any social media you have. Try to get some clients that are interested in your gig, and then make them happy so they can leave positive feedbacks. What's going to happen after that? Fiverr will start to push your gigs more in the search results, which is good for you. Now after you are done, after you do all of this, you want to click on gigs and you want to click on create a new gig. Now here is where you are going to list your gig. Okay, so for example, I will do now, if you go, for example, I'm going to click, for example, here on switch to buying. Now for example, I want to do video editing, for example. I'm going to copy their title itself. Okay, so for example, this one, I will do a professional video editing for YouTube, Facebook video edit. Now I can make this better, or I can just copy the same title. I'm going to copy everything here where I am listing here, or where I am describing my gig. I'm going to do the same thing. I will do professional video editing for YouTube and Instagram, for example. Okay, so here the category. Now, which category? For example, about video editing, of course, the category should be video and animation. The second category, video editing. And here we select the primary type of videos you edit. For example, YouTube videos, music videos, family and travel videos. You can just add as many as you want. Here it says tags. You want to add tags that are related to your service. For example, if it's like graphic designer, you can just enter here graphic designer. You can enter, for example, video editing if that's what you are offering. Video editing here. Okay, then click on save and continue. In the next page, what you need to do is you want to enter here the prices and the type of packages. For example, license music tracks. Like for example, you can just click on next, got it, just click on it. In the top here, the basic, okay? Now the basic package, for example, you want to edit only 1 minute video for example, the basic package name your package, you want to enter here, I will edit your 1 minute video for, that's it, 1 minute video, okay? Here the standard you want to enter, for example, I will edit 2 minutes video, okay? Here the premium you want, for example, I will edit 10 minutes video. Now each package has its own price, of course. Now each package you want to explain the description of it. For example, I will edit 1 minute video. For example, here where it says describe details of your offering in the basic here, I'm going to enter, for example, I can do good quality work, work with short videos less than 1 minute. Okay, just something like this. A lot of people don't focus on this, but you just need to describe your your gig. For example, here in the standard, the same thing with 2 minutes, the same thing with premium. Okay, here the delivery time. Now of course the basic package, it will take less time, so I'm going to add here 2 days, but with the standard package in the delivery time I'm going to increase it to 4 days. Here the premium package, of course it will take more time, I'm going to select here more than 5 days, for example 5 days here. Okay, so here the footage provided by buyer, here less than, for example, 1 minute. For example, here, for example, in the standard here I'm going to say 50. Now here running minutes, here 1 minute, this one 2 minutes, this one 10 minutes, because that's what we are offering here, running minutes in minutes, as you can see. Color grading, if you are offering that. By the way, this is just an example. This depends on your service you are offering on your Fiverr. This will be different, thumbnail included. This will be different if you are selling different servers, not editing. This will be different, but you know exactly what you are offering. Now the revisions, if something goes wrong with the video, how many times you can edit it for free? I'm going to do, for example, 2 times. Here 3 times. The premium package I'm going to offer 4 times, for example. Now each has its own price. Here the price, you can charge a price for revisions if you want, but you can leave it for free here. But I'm going to charge, for example, more money. For example, I'm going to charge $20 for 2 revisions, $3 for example, $50 for 3, and $100 for changes, for revisions. Okay, now here you can just enter everything here, and here the basic extra delivery. If someone is willing to pay more money, will you deliver it in less time? Now the basic, if someone wants everything to be done in just 1 day or 3 days, do you have to to give me an extra $100, for example. That's the meaning of this premium. I will deliver this in 1 day, but you have to pay me $200 plus, so that I can deliver it in less time. Okay, that's exactly how it works. And after that, you want to click on save and continue, and you will be able to go to the next page. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. As you can see, basic here, I'm going to check. This must be shorter than okay, perfect. I'm going to select here 1 day, and then click. What you need to do, you want to click on save and continue. Now in the next page, you will be able to see here description. That's why I told you to check other people that have the same service, just to have an idea, just to get an inspiration about how do you write the description. You can also take your own description and send it to ChatGPT. For example, just go to ChatGPT, say something like, hi, give me a different description based on this, and then send them the description like this, and then they will give you, the ChatGPT will give you a different description you can enter here that will be unique to you. Okay, so after that, you want to click on save and continue. In the next page, what you need to do is you want to enter here the requirements. Okay, so for example, get information you need from buyers to get started. You just need to give here what you need them to do after they are on the payment page, what the requirements you are requiring from buyers, what they need to give you to start your work. For example, they have to send you the video, depends on your service. After that, you want to click on save and continue. You can also add a new question here, add additional here, as you can see. Then you can just enter here, for example, please send me the video through this email, for example. Now that's it. As you can see, you can also add here a video about your service. It helps, I've never done this, but it helps get more clients to trust you more, especially if you are just relying on Fiverr and not trying to rely on social media to bring clients to your Fiverr gigs. But I only use images. Just add images about your service, then click on save and continue, and that's it. That's how you can publish a gig on your Fiverr account. Okay, so now what I want you to do is to start searching for your gigs in the search results after you publish it. Why you need to do that? I want you to click on your gig more and more and more to get some views, so that like Fiverr will start to promote or to push your Fiverr gig to more people, because there is a lot of competition here on Fiverr. So to stand out, you need to be different. You need to bring clients, first clients. I'm talking about first clients from social media that will help you get more people from Fiverr itself. So you need to rely on social media first to get some reviews to stand out from other competitors. Okay, so if you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. Make sure you drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.